Hello dear Capricorn, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading for September 22nd till the 28th. This is going to be a love and career reading. So let's begin. Your cards are already out. I know you cannot see them but I'm going to show you. You've got the Two of Spades and the Temperance card in your love life. So what's happening in your love life? I do see that there were a lot of hurdles or blockages in your life. It could be that you're in no contact situation with someone or in separation with someone. You're not speaking to someone or have even blocked each other, right? This has really hurt you. You decided to walk away or they decided to walk away. Either ways, someone is coming back. Either you want to go back or they are trying to come back into your life. Of late, you will have a lot of like dreams about them or you're thinking a lot about them. This week is all about them. It feels like there is an unfinished business, okay, which both of you still have to do. This relationship that has hurt you or that has ended even months ago or years ago, there is a lot of unfinished business between the two of you, and that is why you keep coming back. It seems like you keep coming back to each other. Like it's like an on and off situation that you both are going, whether you're in a relationship, single or married. There is someone you have unfinished business with, and this person is definitely going to come back or you are going to reconnect with this person. You soon can hear a text, call or bump into each other. Now when this person comes back or when you see them again, please do not get too excited, because I do see that you are very emotionally attached to this person, right? So which means that when this person will call you, you will be like jumping in your bed. Like you will be like, yay, they have texted me and all that. But you don't have to do that. You still have to manage your emotions and ask this person the same question. Remember what happened between the two of you last time you met. Remember why you left and remember why they walked away, right? Are they really coming back as a changed person? Are they giving you what you asked for, the commitment, the loyalty, the marriage that you wanted? If the answer is still no, then please do not go ahead with this, right? There has to be love and loyalty and commitment or whatever you were hoping for on the table. But at the same time, you have to remember that a lot has happened between the two of you and a lot has changed in both of yours life. Like you and your priorities have changed. They and their priorities have changed. For example, if you were once married, uh, you may be married into a nuclear family, but now the parents are getting old. Maybe they would want to live with them, right? Will you be okay with that? Well, you will have to be okay with that, because this card also talks about temperance card, doesn't just talks about the mingling of past and future, but also about adaptability. Are you ready to adapt to the current circumstances of your life, of their life? Both of you will have to maintain a balance. I do feel that you did not handle this relationship well. In the past, there was a lot of off balance, maybe too much focus on relationship or too much focus on work or too much focus on something else, right? There has to be a proper balance if you both want to live a happy life. But at the same time, practical decisions are very important. So please do not make any emotional decision this week, no matter who is coming or who you want to come back to or go back to. This has to be a practical decision, a practical choice. You will be still asking the same questions. Are they still offering you that? Are they ready to change? Are they ready to remove the third party if there was a third party, right? Do not jump into anything. Now let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Five of Moons and the Four of Suns. Well, first of all, let me tell you, nostalgia is a bitch, okay, as they say. Don't think everything that your mind tells you is true. Your mind keeps taking you back to this time or will be taking you back to this time of your childhood or previous jobs where you think life was better. Maybe you were in a job and you thought that was more stable and more relaxing than this business you just started, right? Well, nostalgia is a bitch. You're earning way more than you were earning back then. You're maybe way more famous and known for your work than you were way back then. Yes, your childhood, I understand everyone's childhood is better now. We have responsibilities, but I do see that your mind will be taking you back in the past somewhere. Don't worry, because this week is giving you a lot of happiness. Some sort of little bit fame and name or importance is also coming into your life. I also see that professionally this is going to be a busy week for you. Like there are also a lot of reunions or social week, I would say, maybe with your ex-colleagues, maybe with your school reunion, where you can meet more business partnerships, more work-related opportunities. I also see what you are achieving in your life is something that maybe nobody else in your family has. And you could get importance because of that also. Or maybe you are doing really well in your friend circle as compared to everyone else, right? You're earning more or you're more famous, and that is also bringing you that kind of attention. I also see that if you guys are stuck in what kind of field should I choose, where should I go, what should I do, then this is a card of service of the people. If you will do charity this week, or if you are going to do something for the service of the people, like a public service job, NGOs, or other stuff which brings relief to the people, helps people in some way, that is going to bring you a lot of success as well, right? So please, I can see that you have very positive cards, okay, Capricorns, but the thing is that your internal energy is not right. You are overthinking, probably you're stressing more, or you're thinking negatively as compared to what's happening around you. What's happening around you is good, right? But maybe you are somewhere stuck in the past. Both the cards talk about you being stuck in the past, right? Nostalgia is a bitch. Okay, negative thinking, our mind, we need to control it. So if you control it, you are going to see the world for what it is. See your life for what it is. It is a happy life. This is a happy week. So congratulations on a happy week, but you'll have to change your energies. If you do that, you will be able to find that kind of happiness and peace. And also your family is very proud, by the way, of whatever you're doing. So yes, this is a powerful reading and I want you guys to claim it. So quickly comment, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that that works out faster for you. And yes, this was a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Capricorn. If you want to book your own personal reading, you have very specific questions on your mind regarding your life, you can always book a personal reading with me. I take rituals also, counseling sessions also, personal readings, love readings and packages as well. So yes, check out the description box. And if you would like to know any prices or would like to book any reading, which are very budgeted, I have so many readings under 500 rupees. I have so many readings under 1000 rupees as well. So check out the description box. Email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot, to know the prices or make any bookings. And yes, do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss your readings. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.